Hello guys, this is David here, and today we are here at the Turtleback Zoo. There's the giraffe exhibit, the sea turtles, touch tanks on the entrance. It's the first day of October and I felt like why not come here to just take a look at what's going on. And believe it or not, there's actually quite a few people coming here today, so it is a great thing. But today we have to talk about the railroad. As you can see, they are finally decorated for Halloween with pumpkins and hay patches, which is a cool thing, but that's not the thing we want to talk about. I want to talk about that. That over there is the brand new signal gate, and over here is the brand new signal. And as we can see, some of the track has been replaced over there. This is because this is anticipation for a brand new signal system that's going to allow for safer operations here at Turtleback Zoo. On the railroad, even though I still think that some of this is not necessary, because we have always ran safely without the signaling system, but if this is what the state wants, then I guess we have to do that. Now, despite the fact that the door is open, the railroad is not running. It is only supposedly running on weekends, although I believe the work is going to be done on Columbus Day. But yeah, we're going to have to see. They're actually doing a good job with the signal system. I'm just a little bit skeptical still about it, but you know what? Let's hope it works. You can see right there, there is another gate. And over there, I believe it's going to be where the second signal is going up or something. Or maybe I don't know what's going up there, but we're going to see. So there's two signals. There's that one, and then you have the one over there. You can actually get a good view of the signal from over here. Actually, they're installing something over there too. I have no idea what that is, but we're going to see eventually. So basically, when one train is out, the other is not stuck in the station, and it's supposed to be stuck in the station until the other train comes back. The other thing we can see right here are these guys working on the gate. So, as we can see, the gate is going to be running automatically now. It will open and close at the same time that the train goes out. And that crossing signal is actually still there. I did hear of a rumor that it was going to be removed, but I'm not going to make any final conclusions until I come back, if I come back next year. But I kind of do hope it doesn't get removed. And yeah, that's about it. So, new signals, new gates, not a lot of new stuff coming around, which I sometimes don't really think it's not needed, but it is what it is, and hopefully this will make railroad operations great again. But yeah, we're going to see. Well, that's it for your railroad update and your zoo update, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, folks. That's it. And as you can see, we apparently have new radio equipment. That has to be a sensor over there. Plus, we have some connected wires via these two plates and a little wiring over here. So if you ask me, that sensor is the one that's going to control the opening and closing of that gate. The problem is, how fast is that gate going to open? And that means if you have a really fast engineer, then they have to really learn how to really control their speed when they enter that gate. But yeah, that seems to be the last thing I see. Well, let's hope for the best when this new signal system goes into place.